Hey everybody, we're here with another new promotion. This is the Enoking Serbian chef knife, and this thing is heavy duty. Each one is hand forged from high carbon steel. Every one of them is unique. It's got the full tang, it's got the triple rivets, and it can be used as a meat cleaver or a chef's knife. And it comes with a sheath that can be put on your belt if you're using it for camping or outdoors, something like that. And this thing will chop through meat, vegetables, bone, you name it. It's very multifunctional, and when you're using it to chop vegetables or slice tomatoes or chop onions, you can use it as a scoop to transfer whatever you've chopped into a pot or into a bowl, whatever you need to do. It's excellent, it's heavy duty, it's strong, it's easy to resharpen, and it's a high quality knife. Hope you enjoy it.